Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dini. This time we are in Avila. Today I'm gonna show you some of the beautiful places of Avila and the spectacular wall of Avila. Stay with me, please. Avila is located almost 100 kilometers west of Madrid in the autonomous community of Castilla y León in central Spain. This city lies about 1100 meters above sea level and surrounded by the hills of Sierra Gredos. Avila has a rich history and culture to explore. It also hosts some great ranges of festivals like medieval fair, summers in the walls. Avila is famous for its medieval city wall, built in the 11th century by the Christian kings to protect the city from the invasions of the Moors. The Moors were the medieval Muslim rulers in the Iberian Peninsula. This long stretch of wall is about 2.5 kilometers and it has 88 semicircular defensive towers. The walls of Avila is one of the best preserved medieval fortifications in Europe. The Christian king Alfonso VI ordered to build this defensive wall after the conquest of Avila in the 11th century from the Moors. You should consider Avila to be on your travel itinerary list. It's the time to try again the local cuisine here in Avila. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. You can click the button below for more videos to come in the future. We intend to bring more of the best of Spain.